Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the spray arm and tube assembly in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new center spray arm and tube assembly. The center spray arm and tube assembly is installed at the bottom of the upper dish rack, and it washes dishes in the upper dish rack and also in the lower dish rack. The main reason why the center spray arm should be replaced is if it cracks, causing low water pressure, or gets badly clogged with debris and stops turning. In both cases, the result is the same: the dirty dishes. Open the door, pull out the upper dish rack. To take the old spray arm and the tube assembly, we need to pull up this locking tab. I'll do it with my finger. If you're not going to be successful, you can use a flat blade screwdriver. And then it should come off from this end. There you go. That's the old spray arm and tube assembly. This is the old center spray arm and the tube assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Position the front end of the new center spray arm over the wire and lock the rear end of the arm. Slide in the upper dish rack and close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.